Alright, so by a show of hands, how many people actually expected to see a video like this from me? Today we're gonna go ahead and unbox this iPhone 13 here in this pink color as an upgrade from my iPhone XS. So y'all know what we gotta do. Let's get into it. Alright y'all, so we're back here again at the legendary unboxing table, and I can't lie to y'all, man. I was actually considering doing an ASMR unboxing on the iPhone 13 on this channel. I still might, maybe, like when I'm actually unboxing this. But yeah, man, we got the iPhone 13 right here, man. This is dope in this small little box here that Apple's starting to do with these newer phones now. So I got this phone from T-Mobile. I got that buy one, get one free iPhone 13 offer, and I didn't even have to pay for this. I got it for free from somebody else. That's because he cracked my phone. I know you're watching this right now. You did crack my phone, and at least I got an iPhone 13 out of it. That's a decent deal to me. I can't hold him for that. But yeah, man, we got the pink iPhone 13. I was gonna get the blue, but to be honest with y'all, I'm not really feeling the blue. I only like on the Pro better, and we was gonna get the Pro, but then like we just couldn't make it work. And man, the iPhone 13s, they just keep running out of stock over here, man. Like Best Buy seems to have them, but T-Mobile just instantly gone. So we had to order it online. Anyway, looking here in the front, you know I don't really unbox iPhones, but looking here in the front, we got the iPhone 13 here in this pink color, and it looks dope. So I'm gonna try to give me some caseology cases and maybe a white stone dome screen protector. And also, I still got this from Nomad, so I can finally unbox this and actually use it because I have a compatible phone for it now. Anyway, here on the left side we got iPhone, and on the right side we got iPhone. Looking here in the back, we got iPhone 13 designed by Apple in California and just some other info like that. Now this is the iPhone 13 that does not have that new 120 hertz refresh rate, so that is actually kind of disappointing, but I mean it is what it is. I mean, I'm still upgrading from my iPhone XS. That's a decent upgrade to go from an XS to a 13. Anyway, no unboxing knife needed today. We got these easy pull tabs here by Apple, even though I have 0 fingernails, so it's kind of harder for me, but I mean I still got it. So here we go. Let's go ahead and get this open. Here is the iPhone 13, man. That look clean. I can't even front. Oh snap. So we do have aluminum sides. I do miss that about my iPhone XS. I'm still gonna keep it. Like, this is still my phone, but my iPhone XS actually has stainless steel, and this is just aluminum. Anyway, yeah, that's the iPhone 13 here in the back. It looks clean, man. I can't even front. So yeah, let's go ahead and flip this around real quick. And here is our screen. Just got in the mail today from UPS. So yeah, we got the 2 cameras here, as you can see. So same thing when I had my iPhone XS. I got 2 cameras on here, so I'm not really missing nothing. Pretty much the same exact thing, but we have a microphone there, we have a flash, we have the Apple logo here in the middle now instead of like at the top somewhere like on this iPhone. And I didn't even notice that. Do they not put iPhone anymore here in the back? I thought they still did that, but I guess not. Anyway, looking here on the left side, as you can see here, we have our volume switch, so we can go ahead and mute that real quick if you want to. We have a SIM card tray, and then if we look here at the bottom, we can actually see that we got a microphone. We have a lightning port still. Come on, Apple, we need USB-C, and then we got speakers. On the right side, we got a power button, and I'm pretty sure this is our 5G antenna. And that's pretty much it around the iPhone. So now let's go ahead and look inside the rest of the box. And there's not much in the box, by the way, but still, let's go ahead and look inside the box if we have to, I guess. So we do have our lightning cable here, as you can see. So USB-C to USB-C. Obviously, you don't get that Apple brick anymore. Apple stopped doing that with the iPhone, what is it, 12, I think? So yeah, that's just out of luck. And then that's pretty much it inside the box. So if we go and look at here real quick, we have our SIM card tool, and then we have our 1 Apple sticker, and that's pretty much it. Well, we have a user manual, but you know what we do with that. We throw it to the side, and that's barely even a user manual, I don't think. This is not a user manual. It tells you where you can go to see the user manual, but this isn't a user manual. This is just like, you know, warranty and all that stuff. All right, so yeah, there's our iPhone. We still got the notch, man. I'm not a fan of that notch, but let's go ahead and cut this thing on real quick. And let's see here. Now we have the Apple logo in pink. Hold up, what? Hey, that's, oh wait, nope, that's the camera. My bad. I thought that was pink, but it's just the camera for some reason. Let me try to fix that real quick. Y'all had me tripping for a second. I thought that was a pink Apple logo on this pink iPhone. That would have been dope, but I guess not. All right, whatever. Y'all got my hype up for nothing, man. But let's go ahead and set this thing up, and I'll get back to y'all. All right, y'all, so we're finished. Woo! Let's do this, man. Let's go ahead. Welcome to iPhone. Oh my Come on now, stop it. Welcome to iPhone. We're done with our iPhone 13. That's all set up, man. But I don't want to get rid of the iPhone because I still want to have it around, so I guess I'll have 2 iPhones around. But yeah, man, it's the iPhone 13. I'm hyped to see what's going to happen with this thing and what videos I'm going to make on it. What do you want to see on the iPhone 13? Let me know in the comments below. I'm not switching to it. Y'all know how I am, okay? I have a Galaxy Fold. I can't switch to this. I'm sorry, but this just ain't competing with this. Like, it's just, that's how it is. But like I said, this iPhone 13 still should be dope, and we'll go ahead and unbox this MagSafe after this video. But alright, y'all, thanks for watching. If you like this video, go and give this video a like. And if you really liked it, go and subscribe. But go and follow me on my social media at Ecentech on Instagram and Twitter, and Facebook, but Instagram and Twitter is the most active. And I'm interested to see how this battery life is going to work out on this iPhone 13. Because honestly, I heard that the battery life on the Pro Max anyway is pretty good on here. So I don't know, we'll see. Anyway, y'all, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one then. Peace out.